Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to put some new seat covers on this 2007 Nissan 350Z. All right, let me show you what these seats look like. Passenger side looks good, but this side, look at that. It started out with like a little rip right here and it just kept spreading and spreading, so she has this towel covering it. Let's see what this new covers look like. Make sure you don't cut into the leather itself. All right, this is everything that came in the box. You got your seats, headrest. They have a crest right there. It'd be cool if it had a Z. They don't look too bad. They feel pretty good. They're a little wrinkly, so put them in the sun. Let them sit there for a little bit, and the sun will soften them up and make it easier to work with. You got some buckles and some hooks over here, and you have some instructions. So let's throw these on. I'm gonna start by removing the headrest. You're just gonna press on this button and pull up on it. There you go. Next, take the top and unzipper it. Let's see. Unzipper these guys. I will leave the guys in the middle. That's why I took off the headrest. So I'm just gonna slide them in between like that, and then I can zipper in between the headrest. Okay, next, just flip this up. You got these two straps. We're gonna attach these two guys and then shove them right in between the seat here to the back, okay? You put one side in, goes around to the other side like that. Same thing on this side. One side goes around to the other. And now you could shove these guys in between the seat. All right, get to the back of the seat, and you have the buckles. You can pull them out and just flip them so they'll lay flat like that. See that? And then just that same thing. Take them out and just flip them so they'll lay flat like that. All right, the front, you just have to wrap it around. Let's see. Wrap it around the front like that. I don't like this part. This car got power seats. It's gonna cover it up. So, but it's all right. Once she sets the seats, she's the only one that drives the car. So, okay. Make sure it wraps all the way around the front. And then you have these straps. You're gonna attach some of these hooks to this, and then just attach it to the bottom of the seat somewhere. This part, I think I'm gonna tuck it. See if I could tuck it between the plastic here. I'm gonna see if that's possible. It seems pretty tight, but let's see. If not, it doesn't look horrible like that. Let me show you how to attach these hooks. You're just gonna shove them in like that first, and then you're gonna create a loop and swing this around, and then this, there you go, and it gets attached like that. Do the same thing for the other one. So zip it through, open it up, and that's it. Okay, for the headrests, they just slide right over. And then there's some Velcro here, which you're just gonna wrap the front over like that. And that's it. Now you can zipper the top. These you could kind of zipper sideways this way. There you go. All right, not bad. Let's do the same thing on the other side. All right, guys, I suggest installing the buckles and the hooks first. Before you install it, that'll be easier. Check it out, guys. Not bad. Way better than before. So I'm gonna leave a link in the video description. Go check it out. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.